Mubarak to everyone celebrating this festive and joyous occasion. This is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you all are safe and good. Today I have created this special look for Eid, which is both simple and easy to recreate it. I have created with the products that I have, but you can surely create with similar products at your end. So now, without further ado, let's get started. I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you do recreate this tutorial, do tag me. Please, if you haven't, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you are notified of all my videos. And if you found this video useful, please do share with your friends and family, and also do like and comment on it. Till next time, goodbye, bye bye, and happy Eid.